Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Sixth Sister Always Miss Me, chapter 16. So here it is. Let's read the story. To Yulian and Wenjiao. Wenjiao said, "Sister, the company is your thing, and I'm my sister's person." Oh, this little girl know how to coax her sister. Now she's trying to pursue her. But Wenjiao said to her, "This will is not change." Well, technically she was right. She is the rightful heir of the Su's family. Even though Wenjiao is adopted sister, she was still the elder sister of the family. Let's talk about business. Don't do this. If we can attract investments from the other people, we don't need to cooperate with Mr. Ku. So it turns out she was really jealous about Mr. Ku, so she need to find investor to be able to not cooperate with her. Well, what a tricky move. Julian said to Wenjiao, "Then, let's try it." Well, what a smart sister she is. Even if she is jealous, she needs to find a way to be able to put out the sin Ku in his life. Wenjiao said to her, "Then, try it." "What's wrong? You don't believe it?" Julian said to Wenjiao. Well, probably Wenjiao. She was really teasing her, that's why. She continued to provoke her, even though she know that Yulian is also a smart person. Wenjiao said to her, "I believe my sister." Oh, she was really sweet. Right now, it turns out, when Yulian's come home, "Mom, please tell me how you raise investments before. My head is almost explodes." So right now, she was asking her mom about the business. Well, let's see. Most valuable things about you, not your brain, but your status as the eldest daughter of the Su family. Right now, she's been scolded by her mother. Yulian, sometimes she was really silly. But her mom, of course, she is really scolded. "I understand, thank you, mom." Well, her mother's turned around. Right now, Special Assistant Shang, I need. Well, technically, she will be the future boss of the company. She need a smart person to run the company with her. Well, right now, Yulian asked about Assistant Shang, and she gave her a folder. Well, what could it be? She's really dedicated on her work. Here is the list of investors that the company you want has received. If we get a quarter of it, we won't have to be led by Maoyan next quarter. Right now, Assistant Shang assisting her investors. Assistant Shang suddenly confused. "Why do you suddenly ask for this? Mr. Su plans to change partners." Well, obviously, she really gets jealous at Mr. Ku. "Assistant Shang, do you think it's okay if I just ask them for money?" Oh, this girl. Now she know how to do works. Also, how to trick the others. Now she's getting tricky. Well, she really learns a lot in these days. What kind of talk is this? Young people are so arrogant. "Hello, Sister Tong, it's me." So it turns out she was really dedicated to find a new investors. "Aunt Hugh, I'm asking you to do a beauty treatment this week. We haven't seen each other for a long time. Have appointment and then discuss with investment." Special Assistant Shang, do you still have the information on these people? Oh, right now. She has a brilliant idea. "Assistant Su, who are you? Can you see it? A rich man in distress. Thousand of gold, Su. He's been helping Yulian in these past hours. Now Yulian seems to have an impressive quality of being the heir of the Su family. You are not the eldest lady of the Su family, are you?" Since Assistant Shang doesn't know her, "Assistant Su, can you tell me, what is the truth? What is your relationship with Xiaoshu?" So she was pertaining. What is the real information about her? "You can ask the chairman or ask your darling Mr. Su. Fortunately, I thought I was a smart and most qualified special assistant to the president, but it turned out that I was a fool. So right now, Assistant Shang, chairman know about you and Miss Su. Why do these words sound so familiar?" So right now, Assistant Shang doesn't know about this. Yulian, she will not tell her. Is there a lack of investment? Right now, Yulian was holding hands with Wenjiao. She was asking her so many questions, but Wenjiao, she seems to be always following hers. Should be almost enough to win these people, right? Julian said to Wenjiao, of course. Now she's considering her. Wenjiao, she was really smart person. Wenjiao is asking her, were they all arranged by you? So it turns out after setting appointments, she's the one who needs to coax the people. Of course, just you talking to Maoyan and Chelwan every day by the time. Sister, you're so cute, Wenjiao said to her. I really want to be bold enough to ruwa her head. Oh, this girl, she was really crazy. She even know how to choke people. Well, let's see. What will happen next? Well, you are better than me. I can even get appointment with these investors. What are you doing, coaxing child? Of course, right now. I really need investor to be evil to get rid of Miss Gu. There's a charity party tomorrow night. You and I will go there as a member of the Su family. I'll take you to get acquainted with you. Oh, Julian, she was really bold on this. Let's go to the charity meeting to solicit for the investment. There is a young people, they like to invest in entertainment. Many people I know have spent hundreds of times of millions on filming. So right now, explaining everything to Wenjiao. Julian, now, she really learns a lot. Now, this is really changing. Of course, Wenjiao got really interested on her. This kind of spending money to take a beautiful people was enough for Su Wenjiao once. Oh, right now, they arrived at a charity event. Julian said to her, here we go, be careful. Turns out there's a lot of people on the charity event. Looking at the two of them, they really look stunning and gorgeous. Right now, Julian, she was waving her hands. Oh, this girl, she was really acting like an actor. She was really popular by the people. Wenjiao, she seems to be strange. A lot of photographers are taking pictures. Now, she seems to be shy. Wenjiao is asking Julian. But right now, Julian, she was holding her hands. Yes, just enter from here. Wenjiao said to her, okay. Well, the two of them are going slowly, entering on the charity event. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support the channel, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!